How to solve currency display problems for international customers. Follow the instructions. Understand the customer's location and preferred currency to personalize the experience. Use real-time exchange rates from reliable APIs to ensure accurate pricing. Format prices correctly based on local conventions for decimals and thousands separators. Allow users to select their preferred currency and remember this choice for future visits. Include local payment methods to reduce friction and increase conversion rates. Clearly display taxes and fees based on the customer's location to avoid surprises. Test the display on multiple devices and regions to ensure consistency. Stay updated on regulations and emerging payment trends for global markets. Thank you for watching.